Hi guys, so I'm here today for people that still think that I'm cheating on my dog. We've got 6 cones, 2 different sections. We're going to hide ammunition in one of these cones and then drugs in the next one of the other cones. Yeah, so I'm going to get Brendan to do it for me. I'm going to take the camera and Brendan's just going to put the glove on. You can see it's going to hide the one substance. In the one cone. So he's touched all the cones now, you saw. So everything's contaminated, he's walked in between them. So it's not the human scent that the dog's finding. As you can see. There you go, and then I'm going to give the camera back to Brendan. I'm going to fetch my dog. Just come close. Boy, come here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to start. That's it. Lots of distractions in the background. Are you sure? Sure. Let's come a little closer. See, there's the rounds. Well done, Nitas. Good boy. Come, next one. Sure. As you can see, there's a substance there. Now I need to reward my dog. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you.